August, that's wrong. My birthday is 30th of August. But thank you. I know I've been getting a lot of birthday wishes.
Internet is going around.
I know.
चित्रांगदा सबसे पहले तो इस 2015 के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
Well, I think फेमिना मिस इंडिया एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस कॉन्टेस्ट है और हम इसको बहुत सालों से देखते आ रहे हैं. द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड इट इज अमेजिंग. So yeah, I'm very excited today. आज मैं जज. I think this is the second time I'm judging, so I'm very happy to be here.
क्या खास होने वाला है फेमिना?
I think बहुत interesting performances हैं and of course जो girls हैं I've heard are there's a very good lot of people and it'll be very tough to judge them. So let's see what happens. Let's see who wins.
What are the three things you look into whenever somebody walks through the
For me, I think confidence is probably the most beautiful thing. Na overconfidence ho, na under ho, but I think it's the right kind of comfort that you have with yourself. I think that is very important. And honesty, a certain amount of genuineness should be there, and an attitude. I think that's important. How do I define beauty? I think, see, beauty to me, like I say, I think confidence is a very beautiful thing. A lot of times, you may not have the absolute perfect face, लेकिन एक जो आपका अपना एक self belief होता है, confidence जो होता है, I think that is very attractive in a person. So that's very important. Without that, I think even a very beautiful person is not so attractive for me. Yeah.
Chitrangada, now we heard that you are joining producer now. Please surprise us.
I'm still working at it, so we'll make an announcement soon.
But is it there in the pipeline?
It is in the pipeline.
Chitrangada, do you wish to fall in love again? Do we see you getting married?
Well, we'll see about that. Anything else?
चित्रांगदा इतनी सारी मॉडल्स है, कोई आपकी फेवरेट हो जो आप चाहते हैं कि जीते हो?
I've heard there's a girl called Nafisa Hope. I don't know her right name. Tanya Hope. Sorry. Yes. I think she's interesting. Yeah.
Almost 14 years for Miss World or Miss Universe India ka goal. What's your reaction on that?
What's my reaction on that? I think, well, I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I don't think it's something that can happen every single year. But जो एक Indian presence है globally is only increasing every year. Whether it is to do with the girls from here, whether it is the cinema, whether it is everything, the businesses. India is really becoming more and more global. So yeah, I think I'm sure one of the girls tonight will go and do something on the international. Well, there isn't much actually. I think I'm the wrong person to answer. I don't think I should be answering that. Yeah.
Tell us about something about your role in the film. If you can.
Well, when we do announce the film, I think we'll come to it. I think Sudhir Mishra should be answering the question.
You're working with Mr. Bachchan.
Sorry?
You're working with Mr. Bachchan.
I haven't yet worked with him. I would love to work with him. If I can ever get a chance to work with Mr. Bachchan, I think he's I think he's one of the absolute stalwarts of Indian cinema, so that would be like your career is complete when you work with him. So it would be great. Yeah. Thank you.